Piloting solutions means testing changes on a small scale before rolling them out fully. A 2 to the power of k factorial design is a simple way to test 2 or more changes together. The 2 means each change has 2 settings, off or on. For example, no pre-staging or pre-staging, no second barista or second barista. The k means how many factors you are testing. In this example, we are testing 2 factors. Factor A is pre-staging the morning bake. Factor B is rostering a second barista for the 8 to 10 a.m. peak. Because there are 2 factors and each has 2 settings, we test 4 combinations, both changes off, pre-staging only, second barista only, and both changes on. Step 1 is to try every combination. Run each combination on its own morning peak. For each morning, time every customer who joins the queue. At the end, calculate the average wait time. The results are clear. With both changes off, the average wait is 8.4 minutes. With pre-staging only, the average wait drops to 6.0 minutes. With the second barista only, the average wait drops to 6.6 minutes. With both changes on, the average wait drops to 3.6 minutes. Step 2 is to check whether pre-staging works on its own. Average the 2 boxes where pre-staging was off, 8.4 and 6.6. That gives 7.5 minutes. Then, average the 2 boxes where pre-staging was on, 6.0 and 3.6. That gives 4.8 minutes. The difference is minus 2.7 minutes. So, pre-staging removes about 2.7 minutes from the average wait. Step 3 is to check whether the second barista works on its own. Average the 2 boxes where the second barista was off, 8.4 and 6.0. That gives 7.2 minutes. Then, average the 2 boxes where the second barista was on, 6.6 and 3.6. That gives 5.1 minutes. The difference is minus 2.1 minutes. So, the second barista removes about 2.1 minutes from the average wait. Step 4 is to check whether the 2 changes help each other or just add up. This is called the interaction. If pre-staging saves 2.7 minutes and the second barista saves 2.1 minutes, together we would expect a saving of about 4.8 minutes. Starting from 8.4 minutes, that predicts a wait time of around 3.6 minutes, and the actual result with both changes on is 3.6 minutes. That means there is almost no hidden interaction. The 2 changes do not clash. They simply stack together and both help. Step 5 is deciding what to do next. The target is to keep wait time at 4 minutes or less. Pre-staging alone gets to 6.0 minutes, so it is not enough. The second barista alone gets to 6.6 minutes, so that is not enough either. But both changes together get to 3.6 minutes. That is comfortably under the target. So the pilot decision is to run both changes during the 8 to 10 a.m. peak. Pre-stage the morning bake and roster the second barista. Then monitor the new process for 2 weeks. If the results hold, roll it out to the other branches. The key lesson is simple. A pilot should not just ask, did something improve? It should ask which change worked, by how much, and whether the changes work better together. That is the value of a 2K factorial design. It turns a small pilot into a clear decision. This topic is covered inside SimplicityHub Lean Six Sigma courses with full lessons, examples, quizzes, and accreditation. Enroll today and start building real improvement skills.